Dear students, good morning to all of you. Here in this video clips, I am going to teach you underline the predicate part of the sentences. You have to underline only the predicate part of the sentences. Before going to predicate part, I am going to teach you what is a sentence. First, you must know sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense, complete meaning. That is a sentence. Here, I have given 6 sentences. You have to underline the predicate part of the sentences. Predicate part. What is a predicate and what is a subject, you must know. Subject is the part of the first sentence. First part of the sentence is a subject. First part of the sentence is called subject. That means doer of the sentence. Doer. Who does. Doer of the sentence, you have to find out, that will be subject. And the remaining part of the sentence is a predicate. Here I have to give here, so underline the predicate part of the sentences. First sentence you see here. First sentence, my father will be 40 tomorrow. My father will be 40 tomorrow. No, my father will be 40 tomorrow. First you see where is subject? First part of the sentence. What is the first part? My father. Here in this sentence, my father is a subject. My father is a subject. No, my father will be 40 tomorrow. Second part of the sentence, second part what is? Will be 40 tomorrow. Here I have given here underline. Will be 40 tomorrow. That is what? That is a predicate part. This is called predicate. Here P, that means predicate. Okay. Will be 40 tomorrow, predicate. And my father, I have given here tick. My father, that is subject. What is the question? Question is underline the predicate part of the sentence. Only predicate part. From will to tomorrow, predicate. Will be 40 tomorrow, predicate. In the same way, I am singing a song. I am singing a song. This is a sentence. Where is the subject? Subject is I. I is subject. Okay. Am going a song. Just let me draw a line. Underline am singing a song. Am singing a song. This is what? This is predicate. This is predicate. Am singing a song, predicate. I is subject. Doer of this sentence is I. I is the subject. First part of the sentence is a subject and the remaining part of the sentence is a predicate. I am singing a song. Number 2 completed. Third is, it is a fairly large house. It is a fairly large house. 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 No. Is a fairly large house. Is a fairly large house. I have given here underline from is to house. Is a fairly large house. This is what? This is predicate. This is predicate. No, I am singing a song. It is a fairly large house. This is predicate. Predicate part of this sentences. Then subject. Subject is it. It is a fairly large house. No, when we do not see any subject, then we have to write it. It is a fairly large, L-A-R-G, large house. Number 4, I will come back soon. Sentence is, I will come back soon. First part of the sentence is I, and the remaining part after I will come back soon. These 4 words, will come back soon. This is a predicate part of this sentences. Predicate part of this sentences. I will come back soon. No, will come back soon is a predicate of this sentence. I is the subject. I is the doer of this sentence. That's why I is subject and will come back soon. These are 4 words. Okay, predicate part. Predicate of these sentences. Number 5 is, he walked out angrily. He walked out angrily. No, subject is he. Walked out angrily. This is predicate part. This is predicate part. Walked out angrily, predicate of these sentences. That's why I have drawn here. And he is a subject. Last is number 6. We usually play cricket on Sundays. Predicate part. This is predicate part. And we is subject. We is subject. Usually play cricket on Sundays is a predicate part of these sentences. Once again, I am telling you, underline the predicate part of the sentences. I have already underlined predicate part. Okay, will be 40 tomorrow, predicate. That's why I have written here P, and I have given here underline. Am singing a song, I have given here underline. You see P. Is a fairly large house, given here underline. P, will come back soon, walked out angrily, usually play cricket on Sundays. In this way, you have to underline. No, according to the question, instruction, you have to underline. Suppose you have to make a circle, then you have to circle it. If you have to take, then you have to take. Make a box, you have to make a box. Here is the question is underline the predicate. That's why I am underline, given here underline. And I have shown you P, that means a predicate. You will understand this part is a predicate. Okay, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sentence is called a sentence. And sentence is divided into two parts, subject and predicate. First part of the sentence is the subject, and the remaining part of the sentence is called a predicate. That is a predicate. Okay, subject and predicate. Predicate has its two parts. Okay, predicate. Okay, verb and object. First, you have to divide sentence, subject and predicate. Subject, first part of the sentence, that means the doer of a sentence is called a subject. Keep it in mind. You have to keep it in mind. You have to learn it, subject, predicate. This is a very basic things. If you don't know it, you cannot understand English. For understanding English, you must have basic knowledge. These are the basic knowledge. Underline the predicate part of these sentences. I have given here underline. Suppose question is you have to make a box, then will be 40 tomorrow. I will make a box. No. Or circle, then circle. Give and take, then take. No. Color, then you have to color it. Okay. According to the given instruction, you have to give your answer. Then your answer will be correct. Otherwise, not. Otherwise, not. So once again, underline the predicate part of this subject. My father will be 40 tomorrow. Will be 40 tomorrow. Predicate part. Am singing a song. Predicate part. Is a fairly large house. Predicate part. Will come back soon. Predicate part. Walked out angrily. Predicate part. Usually play cricket on Sundays. Predicate part. Okay. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.